How to Get Space in Roblox Display Name 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a space in your Roblox display name and also explain why it might not be working for you yet. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and go to your settings. Now, head over to the Name section. Step 1. Check your name option. Here's something important. If you see Name instead of Display Name, that means your account already supports spaces in display names. But if it still says Display Name, then unfortunately the feature is not available for your account yet. Why you can't add spaces. Main reasons. Reason 1. Feature not available yet. Roblox is rolling out this feature gradually, so not all accounts have access right now. Reason 2. Account region. Some users say changing their account location to the United States can help. Others try using a VPN, but honestly, this method doesn't work for everyone. Reason 3. Account age. Newer accounts often get new features earlier. Older accounts may take more time to receive updates like this. Important tip. Creating a new account just for this feature is not recommended, especially if you want to keep your progress in items. Final note. If you can't add spaces right now, don't worry. Roblox is slowly rolling this out, and you'll likely get it soon. And that's it. Now you know how to get spaces in your Roblox display name and why it might not be working yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.